So you have got this much attachment for your round 2 in the mail. You got instruction sheet and then 3 images, one coding text, and then this one is your named one template sheet. So what you can do, first you open the image. First you open image with the paint here, and to do the seamless work you can do a small thing. Just drag this in the top bottom corner to the last, and then you go to the 100%, and you can minimize it and open the cargo instruction sheet for calculation of cost and total cost. Okay, and go to the calculation sheet here, click here, this is there, and then you can open your named one. Okay, and now I can so I can open this one, then I can open this one. So what I can do, so mine one is record number 3, so already two records have been filled, so I can go for record number 3. So record number 3 is here. So what I can, 752 record 3 is mentioned here, so you have to watch and type. So that is ground. Best way is to remember and type. Watching each and every character, it will take time. So the initial should be g.g, the first one and the last, sorry, first name and last name, the first character, and then email ID something g q9 big log .jp, and you can just drag here till this was, so now it is coming perfectly. And dispatch number is always first is alphabet, then just numbers, the Q 230748, and now you go to the delivery date, so it is 2008 10/04, so you drag it. So don't worry about the format change. So it is, we want to check only the accuracy. So actual work is on the software. So this Excel work is not, that is not the issue. So whatever you have done, it is okay. For 10/2008, here is 8/10/4. That is not the issue. Format is not the main thing. That you type correct things. Just that is the issue. That is not the big thing here. So 09. And don't change the format, don't change anything, alignment, or don't change anything, whatever coming, it is okay. 09 5 09 59 2. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to the, so what you can do this, you can copy until 4 zeros, that is allowed. So you can go with a number and you can just click, but only 4 zeros are allowed, so it is something like that. That is, I think there is 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then I can put 1 0, then 7 8 2 162. I can go to the tab, color name is orange, then tab, dealer name is Craig. Don't change any uppercase, lowercase changes, whatever it is there you have to type. And then capital R3 8 5 F 5 9, and tab is jackets 548, and address is total 63185 Kennedy Hills. Address is always 3 characters. Sorry, always 3 words, 3 or more words, not a single thing. Kennedy Hill. Then city name is, okay, once net. City name is Perry, PE. Then state is Lilish. So the best thing is that you need to check capital I and small l. See, capital I is always 2 heads are given, upper and lower. But when you type here capital I, it is as like simple small l. It resembles, but is not as like that. So just take care. Capital I and a small l, a small I. Don't confuse here. 61635. So now we have to go to the weight. It is something like that, 66.50, and date is 0931, and cost. And now cost I will calculate. Wait a second. 5.13 percentage. Total cost in words. That I will do. So main issue is passcode. Passcode is the biggest mistake. So many mistakes will come in the passcode. So just take care. That is capital I and then capital A, then O. That is not 0. See, O. So 0 having the tapered in. See the tapered in, and O having the ground complete circle. So O J T P, and remarks is NA, because everything is okay. NA, because everything has been filled. There is no fields are remaining. Now everything is correct. That's why I put the remark NA. If the field are missing, you can say that field is missing. If more than 2 fields are missing, you can say form records are not found. So now the part is total cost. So I can open the total cost one, and I can enter here weight is 66.5, rate is 931. Cost will come. Tax you can say 5.13. Don't add here percentage, just only the values. Then click total cost, it will come. So when you copying here and when you pasting there to your Excel sheet, so go with the option, this one, numbers 1 to 3 values. Never go with direct control V, control C, control V and control C, whatever. Go with the paste options, then click numbers, then that same thing will come. Otherwise errors may come, especially in the Excel sheet. And then total cost is something, sorry, I need to copy, and here I can go with, yeah, that is coming. So what happened at total cost in words, we are giving coding text for the round 3 or the live work. So I am also giving here. So next year you must do with the correct process. So what I am doing, that I am opening the Excel sheet, maximizing it, and I am going to the developer section, this section, developer tab. If tab is not available, then you can go to that file, go to the options menu, and then you go to the customize ribbon and see if developer section is unchecked. So you have to check it and then click OK. Then that tab will come. If it is not available, if it is available, then you can click developer and then go to the Visual Basic tab and go to the insert and then go to the module, and then you go to your folder and open the coding text, and then you just Control A and then go to the Control C, copy, and go to the that one module, Control V, and exit always Alt plus Q. Already I asked this question in round 1, so don't cross it, don't click here this button, just go with Control Alt plus, sorry, Alt plus Q. So if you click Alt plus Q, it will automatically remove, and then click equal to, then numbers, whatever it is coming down, you just type numbers to words, then give the small bracket, and then click this box, and then this box I13 is coming, then click enter. You see that total cost in words it automatically comes. Okay, so just watch this video 2 or 3 times how I did. Same thing you have to do, and then these things as is not copy paste allowed in the software, so also don't copy paste here in the Excel sheet. It is not that is not trustworthy, so I request you don't copy. Okay, 1 minute. So that actually when I'm both Excel sheets are not coming with me, I don't know, something happened. So what I'm doing, that I'm opening the notepad. This is already done. I'm opening the new notepad, and I'm watching and typing 50 58,700 55 dollars and 50 cents. This you do in the Excel sheet. I don't know why 2 Excel sheets are not coming at the same time. This happens to me. Okay, then I can, after writing a notepad, I can copy it here. So this way you can complete. As like this way, one record has a fill. So then next you have to do 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Don't worry about the format change. Whatever it is coming, that is okay. And then we use a coding sheet and watch and type here. Don't copy paste. And when you're pasting here total cost and cost, go with the option paste option in numbers values that you have to click. Okay, and this is all about how to do round 2. And if you have any questions, you can ping me or call me. Okay, then bye.